Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to scan QR code in Instagram. Scanning QR codes on Instagram allows for instant access to profiles, promotions, and exclusive content, enhancing your social media experience. So let's start the video. To scan Instagram QR code, open Instagram app. Tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on Share Profile button below your bio. This is your QR code. Here you will see a scanner icon at the top right corner of screen. Tap on it. Allow camera access. Now point your phone's camera at the QR code you want to scan. Make sure that the entire code is within the frame. And just like that, you have scanned the QR code. Depending on the code, you might be redirected to a website, a profile, or even a special promotion. So that's how to scan QR code on Instagram. Thanks for watching.